All right, folks, check it out. We're gonna take another look at the Jeep that we just got. So you've probably seen it on a bunch of my shorts, but yeah, anyways, real quick, first issue I have with this freaking Jeep is I had to put a new heater core in it. What the hell? So when you're out looking at Jeeps to buy, or any vehicle for that matter, if you are turning on the heat and you're getting some fogginess on your windows, so if your windows are not defrosting and they seem to be actually fogging up more than they are defrosting, you might have a problem with the heater core. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but we got a slight, you probably can't even see this, but anyways, there's a slight leak kind of right up in here. Now we already changed the heater core. It's already done. Damage is done, paid for, whatever. But so here's the deal, we got it fixed, and afterwards we still noticed the carpet was like really wet, a lot of antifreeze still down under here. Now I'm a smart guy. I realize that when you change these things, you spill some antifreeze, stuff might got, you know, caught behind that little thing. So we're gonna give it a few days because I literally just barely picked it up not too long ago. So we dried it out. We're going to keep an eye on it. We're gonna go drive it around for a few days, kind of keep an eye on some stuff, and then we are going to update you on if it stopped leaking. So my hope is it stopped leaking. Took that out over there on the driver's side as well, because let's face it, we don't want to be leaking antifreeze everywhere. But so far the heater worked. It worked good. The only issue is we were having a little bit, it was just frosting up the windows, like from the inside. I had to literally take a rag with me everywhere we went and, like, you know, wipe the inside of the window. Heater worked, smelled like antifreeze really bad. I noticed that when I went to go look at it. So I'm hoping that this video will help some of you in the fact that maybe if you're looking for a vehicle and you get in to go test drive and it smells like antifreeze and the windows are fogging up, you just might have to replace the heater core. So offer them a lower price or bring that up. So lesson learned. But anyways, check this bad boy out. So one cool feature I like about this is it's got these quick disconnects. It's super easy. I literally just boop, pull that out, pull the other side out, lift this up, put those onto this top portion, and then I literally just, yeah, this thing has so much more flex when you disconnect those. I love it. This is my first vehicle I've owned that's got some quick disconnects. But yeah, stay tuned for some more stuff. We're getting, oh, check this out. We are getting, well, hopefully we're getting the Suburban back today. Hopefully. I've been looking forward to this day since he's had it, like 4 or 5 days. But I'm excited. I'm super excited to get that thing back, because we're gonna take this and we're gonna take the Suburban and we're gonna go back to the little spot that I got the Suburban stuck at, and that we got unstuck at as well. But check this out too. It's got this little sweet little setup here where you oh, it's frozen. Dang. Oof. All right, so anyways, these are frozen. Oh, they're frozen. But anyways, you just pull these pins out right here. Boom. And then take that one out and you can open up the rear and then pull the spare tire off. So that's pretty neat. I don't know where this tire carrier comes from, but it might be custom. You might be able to buy one. I have no idea. Maybe I'll look and see if you can buy one. But it's a pretty cool setup. I like it. I like the bumper. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's got a Terraflex rear bumper on it, and those shocks. I actually took it out to the guys at Just for Fun Motorsports, and they told me there's a little dial right here that I can fully adjust those shocks. So right now I've got them on setting 1, which is I think a soft setting, and then there's a stiffer setting, setting 2, and then there's a third setting, which that setting actually has another little dial on the top of it right here that I can actually customize that one. So I got to look more into it, but right now it's on number 1, and if I put it on number 3, turn that all the way around over here to number 3, I can actually custom adjust that. So I need to look into that, because I wouldn't mind having it actually a little bit softer. I just need to learn this shock a little bit more. But Falcon. Anyways, that's it. Stay tuned. I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up on if you are shopping. Like I said, if you were running into those problems with, you know, the defroster, as soon as you turn that on, it just started frosting up the windows. It could be your heater core, so keep that in mind. Even if it's doing it to you right now and you're not actually looking for a vehicle for sale, it's on your own vehicle, yeah, could be a problem. So anyways, I'm out of here. Stay tuned for some I'm waiting on the Suburban. I can't wait. It's frustrating because me and my daughter, we want to go drive it, right? Yes, we want to go drive it. She's cleaning the truck. Let's go look over here. Oh, she's gonna get me wet. Ford. All right, let's check this out, folks. She is in here detailing. She's doing a good job. You should have seen it before. Anyways, she does a good job. But remember, smile every single morning. And also, go get you the water trial. Seriously, ice baths, game changer.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for